bring up two very special people right now. We've got the producers of Piranha Fest. And in this moment of deep gratitude, because I feel it beating in all of our hearts, I'd like to give a warm welcome to Paula Andrews and Janet Marley, people.
Paul.
Yes, more love. More goodness. Wow. Paul, Janet, we are so grateful for all you do. Because this could not happen without you. And all of you. And yes, with the vision that you brought together, created this container that allowed us all to come in and flow in this matrix of miraculousness. And we are so grateful, right? Can you guys join me in a thank you mantra, please? It goes, thank you, thank you, thank you. 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 And thank you, dear people. Because it's this community coming together that makes this whole miracle take flight. And may the joy of this evening resonate in your heart core forevermore. And may all the people in all the world feel the glory that we feel tonight at Piranha Fest.